In this video, I will show you Google's new 24/7 personal AI agent, Gemini Spark's interface and its feature. Currently, Spark is not available in all countries and regions, and currently it is available only for Google AI Ultra subscribers who are 18 or older. Open gemini.google.com in your web browser and then click on the toggle icon below to the Gemini icon. Also, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus S key. So this is Gemini Spark interface when someone is visiting first time on Gemini Spark. You can read how it works. Now tap on Use Spark option. So this is the main interface of Gemini Spark. Here you can see different types of suggestions are appearing. Gemini Spark work on three fundamental building blocks. First one is task, second skills and third schedules. Now we are going to perform task. Through Gemini Spark, I am typing a prompt for Gemini Spark. I want to open Google Docs through Gemini Spark. So my prompt is open Google Docs. Wait for some time and see how Gemini Spark is working. So here you can see Spark is showing our Google Docs file. Now I am clicking on this first suggestion. So here you can see we are now in Google Docs. Currently Gemini Spark is rolled out as beta. That means they are working for its stable version. Here you can see there are many different types of icon appearing. For example, this is task. Second option is for schedule and third one is skills. You can try by clicking on them and read instruction for useful response. If you want to go back from Spark interface, simply click on this toggle. It will reflect you to Gemini chat. So here you can see we are now back in chat interface. So this video was a short introduction of Gemini Spark interface.